My son's turning 7 years old and quickly becoming a young man. It's time to build some responsibility like my father did with me by giving him his first knife. I hope you enjoy this build video and maybe it'll bring back some memories of your first knife. So show us the box that you got for your birthday.
This is a knife.
Is it a Swiss Army knife?
Yeah.
So do you think you'll carry this in your pocket? Will you be able to help me out around the house and out in the woods? Yeah? Cool. Well, thank you for showing us your knife, and I hope you like your birthday present. Happy 7th birthday, buddy.
Since I was 7 years old.